give a thumb and add this video to your album. You can easily save $65 following my step-by-step tutorial and even make money with my nail inspo. Glad to share with you this salon-level dipping nails in pink hues. Make the combo with ivory white in 2 different pink shades, as well as a typical golden super shine. You never see how smooth to get this dipping powder manicure done with a gel polish design. Always make sure to apply a minimum of 2 layers of powder and liquid, then you'll never make any mistakes for appealing color and durable nails. You may have an issue with the color difference, but you'll see the most same shades as the color swatch after 2 to 3 layers are applied. Make sure to clean up the loose and excess powder on side walls, cuticle area, and nail surface. Remember, it's about patience and details when you expect flawless nails. The funniest part is to paint the slim stripe with different colors comes as delicate as gel polish, but it's literally by a simple dipping powder. With no fancy skill and no expensive device, just dip, activate, and seal, and you're about to have these cute feminine vibe nails done in no time. Let's get started.